Hello, YouTubers. This is my hydrogen generator from David. Now here's my two hydrogen generators, and they are working quite nicely. And that is the reservoir bubbler. Okay, and I do have a strap right here to hold this down. I just filled this thing up. So all the electrolytes had burnt out of it. It wasn't producing right. And those are the two generators that I built in the living room, in the car. That's the reservoir. See that? And there's the bubbler. Excuse me. You see how nicely that's bubbling right there, and it's going right into the air breather. And that's the way I need it to be bubbling all the time. If it's any less than that, then it's not doing anything. So, you probably can't hear me because there's noise on this thing. The engine is running, so you get over here and you see if you can't. You see the engine is running. 3 new coils, all brand new spark plug wire. And this thing's producing like I want it to. And it looks like I'm going to have to change this water out every 3 days. So, that's what it would have to do. This is the first week it's been in here. Today, I found out I wasn't getting no gas mileage at all, so I had to change the water out. And it was quite brown. As you can see, the tubes were nice and brown. The water's nice and clean right now. But in 2 days it won't. So we just have to keep an eye on it. Here's my breaker. As I said, here's my breaker. And it just turned off just now because it went and hit 30 amps. So 30 amps is what turns off until it cools down and it starts doing again. Sit here and wait for it to start back up. There it goes. Start producing again. That breaker is doing its job. So that's how it goes. Okay, thank you, YouTube. Let me put this up on our videos just to show the guys that it is in the car. I built these, I welded all this stuff in because there's nowhere to strap this stuff down, not inside here. So I made me a angle wire going from the center mount of the hood all the way over here inside here. It's the only way I could get this thing placed in. And then I took these straps and bent them where I could weld 2 nuts on them. I got 2 nuts, a piece on these, welded to the strap. So I can screw them on right here. I can take them on and off anytime I want to. Okay. Know that this is working. It's in the car. 275,000 miles on this car. And we won't have to find out our gas mileage again. So you see it stop because the breaker had just tripped. It'll turn on here in a minute. When the breaker trips, it's at 30 amps. It just turned back on. See that? It's working. It's working perfectly. So, there's 2 in there, so they're about 15 amps a piece. Then it spreads out over the cells, and that's the way that goes. So, how much they getting? I don't know. Still amateur at this, so I am working on that part. Okay, I'll see y'all later. See you in the bigs. Bye.